There are many products available to choose best new kitchen gadgets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DrinkPod Froze Frozen Dessert Maker. Versatile, the Froze frozen fruit soft serve machine can create a variety of frozen treats, including sorbet, acai sorbet, sherbet ice cream, and soft serve ice cream, using frozen fruits like frozen berries and frozen bananas. You can even add small toppings in the frozen dessert machine. Easy to use, this frozen fruit and yogurt maker machine is designed for home use and is simple to operate, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. Healthy, with the ability to create frozen treats using fresh, frozen fruit, the Froze frozen fruit soft serve machine offers a healthier alternative to traditional ice cream machines. Quick, the Froze frozen fruit soft serve machine produces frozen treats in just a few minutes, allowing you to enjoy your favorite frozen desserts in no time. Customizable, with the Froze frozen fruit soft serve machine, you can customize your frozen treats to suit your preferences, adjusting the sweetness and flavor to your liking. Convenient, this frozen fruit and ice cream sorbet maker is small and compact, making it easy to store in your kitchen and take out when you want to make a frozen treat. Number 2. Great Whip Soda Streaming Machine Sparkling Water Maker Soda. The Great Whip Soda Maker operates without electricity or batteries, letting you create refreshing sparkling water or soda drinks at home or outdoors. Simply fill the included BPA-free bottle with cold water and press the button for about 2 seconds. Repeat to adjust carbonation to your taste. Quick and easy cleaning. Designed for easy disassembly, this soda maker can be wiped down quickly and cleaned thoroughly, keeping your machine hygienic and ready for everyday use. Eco-friendly and sustainable. One carbonating cylinder produces up to 60 L of sparkling water, replacing up to 120 single-use plastic bottles. Enjoy homemade fizzy drinks while reducing plastic waste. DIY sparkling creations. Once carbonated, add fruit cubes, juices, or flavored syrups to craft unique sparkling beverages anytime. Pro tip: using chilled water enhances fizz and flavor. Stylish and durable, the sleek design fits seamlessly on your countertop, while the BPA-free bottle withstands carbonation pressure for long-lasting use.
Number 3. Costway End-Loading Insulated Pan Carrier Wheels. Easy to move and stack, this insulated food warmer comes with 2 directional wheels and 2 universal wheels, with 2 of the universal wheels equipped with brake devices. Additionally, for the convenience of storage and space saving, this pot stand can be stacked together. Whether you want to store it at home or carry it for outdoor dining, it can easily solve the issue of space occupation. Excellent insulation with sealing ring. This insulated food pan carrier features a seamless double-walled shell and is filled with commercial-grade polyurethane foam to achieve optimal insulation. Besides, the door with the inlaid sealing ring, which helps maintain the internal food temperature perfectly. Large capacity. For versatile use, this food pan carrier with 81-quart large capacity can hold 5 full-size food pans of hot or cold food. And various intervals allow you to place different sizes of food trays as needed. It can store all kinds of hot and cold dishes, which is ideal for canteens, restaurants, large-scale hotels, corporate gatherings, etc. High-quality guarantee. The food pan carrier is mainly made of 2 layers of LLDP material inside and outside, which is sturdy and durable to support your long-term use. What's more, the food-grade material ensure that it is environment-friendly and harmless to humans for safe use. Number 4. Pysol Wide Mouth Versatile Funnel. 5 sizes. Mouth. Wide opening funnel has 5 size spouts. 2-foot spout for mason jars, 1.32 spout for squeeze bottle and pouch, 0.93 spout for spice jars, 0.67 spout for oil and sugar bottles, 0.44 spout for foaming dispensers bottles. High-quality plastic. Made of heat-resistant food-grade hard plastic that can withstand up to 332.60 degrees Fahrenheit, 167 degrees Celsius. Perfect for transferring liquids like boiling water, hot soup, or coffee with ease. Detachable and rotating screw design. Just rotating the spout you can get a different mouth funnel, 1.1 centimeters, 1.7 centimeters, 2.36 centimeters, 3.35 centimeters, 5 centimeters, allowing you to fill any food, cosmetic or particles into different sizes bottles. 2 sizes strainers, come with 2 filters of different mesh sizes, allowing you to achieve perfect filtration every time. This large funnel with 2 filters will be the best helpers in your kitchen. Easy to clean, made of hard plastic material, it's dishwasher safe and easy to clean. They even come with a small brush to help you clean the spout with ease. Number 5. Pysol Hamburger Press. 4-in-1 burger press, create 4-inch large patties, 2.9-inch mini patties or sliders, stuffed burgers, making bread sandwich as a sandwich cutter. Premium material. The burger patty mold is made of BPA-free, food-grade ABS plastic, delivering excellent performance in crafting hamburgers. Easy to use and clean, all components are designed to be detachable and come with detailed instructions. This burger press is very easy to clean and is dishwasher safe. 100 PCS wax papers. The stuffed burger press kit comes with 100 waxed patty papers, which prevent your freshly made burgers from sticking together and make it easy to separate your frozen patties.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.